Everyone, this is KJ Pro Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kidab, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Doon pa din sa Gary Valenciano's concert, one last, ano ang title nito? I really forgot what is the title. One Last Time a Concert. But this time, Julian San Jose together with Eric Santos. Kasi nakita ko yung, something like yung clip sa TikTok nito na kumanta sila ng Sana Maulit Muli. At ang ganda-ganda ng boses si Julian doon. Tapos yung harmonization ni Julian, Eric, and Gary Valenciano. So, I won't take any longer. I'm really, really excited to watch this. So, yeah, without further ado, panoorin natin to. Can we just... Ay, wait lang. Okay. Gets ko na. Okay.
Maybe now I can show you
Ay, akala ko I can show you the world.
what went on in my mind when I first heard these songs that moved me. Knowing someday they would soothe the memories of every blow.
I'm not familiar with the song, actually. Ano ba yung title ng song nito? Okay. Excited na ako, actually. Excited ako sa Sana Maulit Muli. Pero kung tapusin natin to, okay lang. Okay. Ang ganda ng kanta, pero hindi ako familiar nito. Bakit hindi ako... Oy! Okay. Ay, wow. Wow. Andiyan na siya. Bumubuga na si Julian San Jose for today's video. Bumubuga na talaga siya, Ben. Eh, look at Gary B. Tingnan mo si Gary B. Tingnan mo si Gary B.
It's Julian San Jose.
Yes. The Limitless Star.
Oh boy. The years have come and gone. Yet because of you, my music's played on. And no one will ever know the feeling inside. Every time I hear
Ang ganda niyo pala talaga ng boses ni Gary B. Kahit ganitong kantahan, no? Usually kasi upbeat yung naririnig ko sa kanya.
how it would be if someday I have you far away from me. Now as I reach out my hand,
Ganda. Sweet German. Eric Santos. Ganda. Ganda na timbre ng boses talaga ng Eric din. Ay, at may ads pa talaga kay Sir Jacob. Sir Jacob, paskip ako ng ads. Wait lang. Ah, okay. How am I... Ay, akala ko how am I supposed to live without you? Akala ko yun yung title. Ah, yes, I know this song. Yeah, pamilyar ko sa kanta na to. Okay. Okay. What's next? Asa na ba yung... Ito na, ito na, ito na, ito na, ito na. Ito na, ito na, ito na. Sorry. Ito na talaga siya. Ito na talaga siya. Sorry, ini-skip ko kasi akala ko matagal pa. Grabe, napaka-divine ng boses si Julie. Okay. Yung emotion. Nice. Okay. Oh, I love the harmonization. Oh my God, ito na talaga siya yung harmonization. Ang ganda ng harmonization. Ito na. Excited talaga ako sa sana maulit. Hindi. Ay, hindi pa. Hindi pa, dear. Wait. Pwede i-forward ko, ha? Ay, ito na, ito na, ito na. Ito na. Ito na, ito na. Ito na talaga siya. Ito na talaga siya. Sorry, ang dami kong skip. Nice. Si Julian. Pwenestohan talaga ni Julian. Wow. Ang linis ni Evie kumanta, no? Okay. Nice. Ay, wow. Wow. Ang ganda talaga ng boses niya. Ganda ng boses sa Gabby dun.
Mahal pa rin kita.
Wow. Nice. Galing.
Oh, gilig
Oh, grabe si Eric. Mm. Wow. I love that. I guess that is already done. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Gabby Valenciano, Eric Santos, and Julian San Jose. Sana maulit muli. Yun lang kasi yung alam kong kanta dito. Ang ganda ng harmonization nila. Swabe lang. Swabe lang yung execution nila. Napatigil nga ako. Gusto ko lang manood na lang talaga siya. So yeah, this is KJ Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!